Let's start some video up. Video's going. Let's calibrate it. Let's take off. Flips look good. Video's looking pretty clear. Let's take it up a little bit and hold it steady for a minute. See if we can get some decent looking video out of it. It's a little bit windy out, but it's like it was last week. It's gusting. You know, you'll get it where it'll be calm for 5 minutes and then it'll gust up and do that kind of stuff. I'm trying to hold it up here steady so we can see what the video is going to look like. On the screen, just like on the inside, on the screen it looks great, you know. I'm just trying to get this trim straightened out. Oh yeah, it flies just as nice as it did in the house. As far as steering, steers great. Oh yeah, real nice, guys, real nice. Turns on a dime. Beautiful. Beautiful steering on this thing. Real nice. I'm gonna run out the battery. I'll probably cut the video. We're just gonna try to find out how long this battery is gonna last. So I'm not gonna probably show the whole video. I'll just chop it up or speed it up, one or the other. Let's try the return to home. Okay, we'll go out here away. Okay, let's try to return to home. Let's see which way I'm going here. We know what that means, right? It's backwards. Yep, here it comes. And to abort that, just hit the stick any which way, any direction. I think the video on this thing is going to look decent. I really do. Like I said, you know, I'm not a big fan of these gimmicks. Just talking to it and the finger line drawing and all that. You know, I could personally, I could care less about that stuff. I'm just flying it around trying to burn the battery out. No, it's steady as it gets, man. This thing is rock solid. Battery warning coming up here shortly. I have no idea what it's going to do. It's going to either just land or give an audible beep or just fall out of the sky, but we'll find out here in a second. Okay, here we go. It's beeping. Let me cut the video and land it up. Wow. Wow. Fantastic flight time on that thing. I think it was around 15 minutes, to be honest with you, but we'll see when I get in here and edit the video. Really nice, guys, really nice. Thank you, Snaptain. All right, guys, have a nice day.